There's something so special about this environment. It's the scenery, it's the nature that you're surrounded with. But I think more than that, it's the people. It's the members are so special, the relationships here, and I love that our guests get treated like members during their stay here. We are a very unique setup with both being the premier club and then offering a boutique lodge at the same time. And together that dual identity really complements each other beautifully. We're actually also a new membership partner with Preferred Hotels and Resorts, and that allowed us to offer an even higher standard of luxury. There are a multitude of reasons why you would consider to be a member at Ventana Canyon Club and Lodge. And first and foremost, membership is going to grant you access to 2 premier golf courses designed by Tom Fazio. We have outstanding tennis and pickleball facilities, dining facilities, fitness, spa, and you're gaining access to all of those, in addition to unique and exclusive dining and social events. There's just this deep connection here amongst the members that really creates that home away from home feel, and it's that extension and that deep-rooted community and connection that people want, and that's why people join clubs. Deciding between the mountain course and the canyon course is no easy task. Both golf courses are just masterfully designed by Tom Fazio, and both really offer a unique golfing experience. I think together, Ventana Canyon really provides a golfer's paradise. You know, both golf courses are so different, but just create such beauty and challenge for all levels of play. We are proud to actually have both a tennis pro here at the club, but also a pickleball pro, offering clinics, lessons, and fun programming all year long for our members and our lodge guests. This really allows our family and their friends to come out and experience the game. Tucson foodies and out-of-towners alike can expect an elevated culinary experience that's really focusing on celebrating the flavors of the region. Chef Devin really has a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and that shines through in every dish he creates. So I think whether it is a casual meal by the pool or a gourmet dinner in our restaurant, our diners are going to experience a culinary event that is creative, seasonal, and very satisfying every time. To learn more about Ventana Canyon Club and Lodge, please visit our website at ventanacanyonclub.com.